You all must have imagined of investing in stock market or Bitcoin. But have you ever been curious to understand about it? Well, that's what I'm here to talk about. Jai Hind everybody. I am Bhavika Maan of class 10th A. Today, I hope to spark your curiosity with a subject that's been changing the way we think about money: cryptocurrency. Imagine you want to send 500 rupees to your friend. What would you use? A bank, right? But what if I say there is a way to send money to your friend without using any bank, even if they live in another country? That's what cryptocurrency allows to do. Cryptocurrency is basically a digital form of money that exists only online. Now, you might be thinking, but what makes it different from the cash in your wallet or the money in your bank account? The biggest difference is that cryptocurrencies are decentralized. It means they aren't controlled by any government or bank. Instead, they run on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a public secure ledger that records every transaction. You might be thinking, but why cryptocurrency? Well, it allows people to send money across the world with lower fees and fast speed. It also gives people more control over their own money. You've probably heard names like Bitcoin or Dogecoin. What do you think? A Bitcoin worth 1 rupee or more? As of today, a Bitcoin worth more than 40 lakh rupees. Now you might wonder, but what does this mean for us as students? Well, it means that we are living in a time of big change. Whether or not we use cryptocurrency, but we should try to understand it because it could be a big part of future. And we, as future cadets, should be prepared and informed not just with arms, but with knowledge and wisdom. Thank you everybody. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.